Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm here with Evan behind the camera and my friend Sydney.
Hi!
And Sydney is going to be our model today, and the video is about night photography. We're gonna explain it all. Let's just get right into it. Alright, so this is going to be our first location here. Got these lights in the background, and the number one thing that you want to look for is a main source of light. I'm going to have Sydney pose next to my main light source, and then we're going to use complementary light sources from the outside to frame her face. So. As we took those pictures, the one thing that I had in mind is that you want to have some push and pull. So when you have an image, you want to make sure that there's what is she looking toward and what is she leaving behind, and that's kind of what I think to make it interesting, because if it was straight on, you wouldn't have that kind of depth, and that's kind of what we want, especially when shooting at night and all the lights are so pretty.
We're out here at the hair cutlery.
Yo, we out here at the hair cutlery. We're gonna get some fresh fade. By the way, just so you guys know, this lens that I'm using currently is the Canon 50mm 1.8. So the 1.8 aperture is really important to get those light images in the dark, because the aperture opens up so that you can see when it's dark.
No, this actually looks so dope. ERJ here from the ERJ YouTube channel. We're gonna take some shots in front of this vinyl record store. It's got a nice red glow. Should be cool. You know, we're gonna show you guys the finished products of these. You know, you're gonna be impressed. It's a simple process, but we're getting some good results out here.
Yeah, so here actually Evan brought his flashlight, and we're gonna use this to spice up the images just a little bit, just to give them that edge that they need.
Yeah, let's see it. Let's see it. You're just gonna want to shine it right into the lens. Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Okay, these are cool, but they're too strong. Look at this.
Yeah.
So this is what I want, but like just less of it. But like I like the.
Yeah.
So, like, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's perfect.
Cool. Yeah.
That's the one. She's the one.
So good.
I love that.
Yep. We have done it. We have done it.
Ladies and gentlemen, my fingers might be freezing, but we have completed it.